Aspiring to be a global hidden champion through Challenge to the World and Challenge to the Future, Higen Motor Company Limited has specialized in industrial motor business over 50 years since its first motor making as a business division of LG Group of Korea in 1963. Higen Motor's production system comprises two manufacturing plants, one in Changwon, Korea, with workshops of a total of 66,000 square meters, and another one in Qingdao, China, with a total space of 12,000 square meters. The production system meets quality standards set by international technical associations, quality institutions, and standard organizations, including ISO, CE, UL, CSA, ATEX, IEC, TS 16949. Changwon plant is adequately equipped to produce quality products with its automatic and semi-automatic winding lines, vacuum pressure impregnating furnaces, aluminum die casting and balancing facilities, testing and inspection equipment with the annual production capacity of 800,000 units of motors. Qingdao China plant is equipped with 20 punching presses, including IDA progressive presses, single-stage presses, notching presses for punching motor stators, and 8 aluminum die casting equipment for motor rotor casting. Higen Motor runs an integrated production system with these two plants. Qingdao plant produces and supplies major motor components to Changwon plant, where the components are final assembled, performance tested for quality assurance. With this integrated system combining Korea's technical competence and China's cost competitiveness, Higen Motor is capable of producing motors in a wide spectrum of output range from 0.2 kilowatts to 3,000 kilowatts. Higen Motor considers motor technology and motor control technology as its core competence. Higen Motor has the capability to satisfy its customers through its 50 years experience at every phases of motor making, from research and development to design, trial production and mass production through creative product solutions and efficient production engineering. Furthermore, with accumulated know-how in motor controlling technology in servo drives and inverters, Higen Motor has an ambition to be a meaningful player in a new growth engine in the global motor industry, i.e., intelligent motors. Capitalizing on its motor technology for industrial applications, Higen Motor has applied numerous low-voltage motors and high-voltage motors for various customers in the businesses of reduction gears, pumps, compressors, fans, machine tools, electric power plants, steel mills, petrochemical plants, and other industrial areas. Higen Motor produces motors as small as 0.2 kilowatts to motors as big as 13,800 volt, 3,000 kilowatts. In particular, as Korean heavy industry and construction companies kept increasing their share in the global EPC market, Higen Motor continues to gain more opportunities to supply its products all over the world through these Korean such EPC contractors. Higen Motor has manufactured over 30 years servo motors and servo drives that are essential components for factory automation equipment. For example, Higen Motor successfully produced large-scale 75 kilowatt servo motors for injection molding machine makers for the first time in Korea and delivered substantial cost savings to its customers by substituting import products. Higen Motor also supplied many small-scale servo motors and controllers to all Korean robot manufacturers, enabling them to make 3-axis delta robots and 6-axis multi-joint robots. Expanding its applications of motor control technology to systems, Higen Motor supplied stage equipment control systems to National Theatre of Korea for their renovation project. Based upon its motor control technology, Higen Motor continues to expand its technology and businesses to motion controllers. Motion controller market has been dominated by manufacturers with their own proprietary closed-form software systems for decades. And Higen Motor decided to start developing an open-source motion control platform based upon PLC Open. Higen Motor initiated in Korea promotion of PLC Open, an international motion standardization organization based in Europe, and founded PLC Open Korea with Korea Association of Machinery Industry in order to promote international open-source software systems in Korea and encourage the localization of motion controllers. Furthermore, Higen Motor was granted National R&D Fund by the Government of Korea for developing standard motion controllers. Based on its management philosophy that industrial technology could advance when technology is shared, Higen Motor intends to share the development outcome of such standardized motion control technology with other companies who are willing to advance the technology and share advanced outcomes. Higen Motor has manufactured elevator traction machines over the past 40 years. As a result, 1 out of 2 elevators currently in service in Korea is running with Higen Motor products. All the elevators installed in Yeouido IFC building, one of the highest skyscrapers in Korea, are currently operated by Higen Motor traction machines. Higen Motor's traction machine in IFC building lifts elevators at 7 meters per second with 36 passengers, demonstrating the company's technical expertise and reliability. We believe vehicles driven by internal combustion engines will be replaced by more energy-efficient and eco-friendly electric cars over the years to come. Higen Motor has an ambition to be a reliable world-class supplier of electric traction systems, including traction motors, inverters, and generators. Higen already has developed traction motors for electric car for a wide spectrum of applications, ranging from golf cart to compact car, mid-size passenger car, commercial vehicles such as bus and trucks, and even for yachts. In particular, Higen Motor has been awarded SQ certificates by Hyundai Motor Company and was registered as an official vendor of Hyundai Mobis, Hyundai Motor's subsidiary company and its biggest parts supplier. In addition, representing Korea's electric motor industry, Kim Jae-hak, CEO of Higen Motor, made a presentation at an economic summit meeting for the electric car industry chaired by former President Lee Myung-bak. The former President Lee rides on a Hyundai Motor Company's new car model driven by a Higen Motors electric traction motor. Higen Motors so far exported motors for electric car to its overseas customers in the US, Italy, and Germany, and has actively participated in various motor development projects. Through its reliable production system and proven technology, Higen Motor has supplied a variety of products to numerous customers in Korea and all over the world. Higen Motor has continued to supply industrial motors to various customers in the public sector, i.e., Korea Electric Power Corporation and its subsidiary power generation companies, K-Water, responsible for public water resource management, Korea Coal Corporation, LH Corporation, responsible for public housing projects, also customers among EPC contractors such as Samsung, LG, POSCO, Hyundai ENC, Doosan Heavy Industries and Construction, and other leading machine builders in Korea such as Korea Zinc, Willow, Samyang Reduction Gear. Higen Motors control servo systems have also been supplied to many reputable corporations, including CJ for its 4D multiplex cinema chairs, Tulim Robotics for its painting robots, Robostar for its Scar robots, and LS Mtron for its plastic injection molding machines. Higen's electric vehicle motors were sold to Hyundai Motor Company, Hyundai Mobis, Daewoo Bus, Dongyang Mechatronics, and others. In the global market, Higen Motors products have been exported to over 20 different countries, including the US, Japan, China, the Middle East, and Europe. Committed to be a meaningful player in the coming era of low-carbon green growth economy, Higen Motor has continued to develop products for the future. such as transverse flux motor, ultra-high precision motion control system, inverter-embedded motor, etc. These future-oriented products attracted great attention at many international exhibitions: SPS, Hannover Messe Germany, China Plas, PTC China, Liftex Iran, Korea Machinery Fair, International Semiconductor Exhibition Korea, and others. As a leader in the elevator motor market, Higen Motor has a market share over 50% in the installed Korea elevator motors and also dominates many industrial applications such as pump, reduction gear, injection molding machine, hydraulic equipment, cooling tower and air conditioning equipment, and high-voltage electric motors. Since it spun off from the LG Group as a company specializing in motor technology and motor control technology, Higen Motor has continuously recruited competent engineers and developed state-of-the-art products for the future.
하이젠 모터의 대표이사 김지학입니다. 삼상 유도 전동기, 서버 모터를 동시에 생산하면서 또한 모터 제어 기술을 보유한 저명한 해외 기업들이 많습니다마는 한국에서는 저희 하이젠 모터가 유일합니다. 전자 제어 기술이 급속하게 발전함에 따라 전동기 시장도 정밀한 제어 기술과 연계한 지능형 전동기가 시장의 미래를 이끌어갈 것입니다. 꾸준한 기술 개발을 통하여 산업용 모터와 지능형 모터 시장의 선두기업이 되겠다는 꿈을 안고 저희 하이젠 모터의 모든 임직원은 오늘도 힘차게 달려갈 것입니다. 감사합니다.
As electronic control technology rapidly advances, we believe the future of the motor market will evolve to intelligent motors that combine precision with network-based motor control. In our challenge to the world, challenge to the future, your guidance and encouragement is much appreciated. Thank you.